I love my over the stove microwave. First of all, I think it just like looks really nice with the stove. And I love like the black and silver. The color scheme is really nice. And also this is a really good size microwave. I don't know if you can tell from the photo. I just got to put my hand here for reference so you can see like this is a pretty big microwave. Let me zoom out just a little. Yeah. So basically, it's your basic microwave, let's be obvious. But for this one in particular, it does have the light here. So like, I like that I can turn this on whenever I am like cooking at night. And then, like I said, it's just a really like spacious microwave. The spin, I don't ever have any issues with the spinny plate. Everything is good here. It's not necessarily hard to keep clean like any other microwave. I actually like to use this to put on top of things so things don't splash around in the microwave. But the door, I haven't had any issues with this, any of like the mechanisms, the buttons, anything like that. So it's your basic microwave, but it does look really nice and it hasn't given me any issues.